Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 7 best electric scooters in 2019. Now finding the best electric scooter may be confusing because there are so many options and you don't know which one will be the best for you. So, I made this list from my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've included different options for every type of buyer. As always, all the links to the products mentioned in the video will be in the description box down below, and we update the links in the description for the best prices. Like the video and comment which one is your favorite electric scooter, and I'll be sure to respond to everyone. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. Number 7. The Razor PowerCore E90. This is the best electric scooter for those on a budget. With a price tag that's sure to please riders of all ages, the Razor PowerCore E90 adds an easy way to jump headfirst into the electric scooter world without spending a fortune. It is available at about $100. It offers speeds up to 10 miles per hour on a single charge and 80 minutes of continuous use. It has outstanding battery life for a low price. However, the recharge time is 12 hours, but with nearly twice the battery life of more expensive scooters, this also receives bonus points as a zero-maintenance electric scooter with no chains or alignment required during use. It is 22 pounds in weight and the max load is 120 pounds. The retractable kickstand allows easy on and off for riders of all ages, while the kickstart function requires at least 3 miles per hour before the motor will kick in. The hand-operated front brake is complemented by a push-button throttle. Overall, the Razor PowerCore E90 has great features such as amazing battery life, all for an affordable price. Number 6. The Razor E300. Backed by the well-known Razor name, the Razor E300 electric scooter is an outstanding combination of price and battery life. It is priced at about $230. Once aboard, riders can travel up to 15 miles per hour for up to 40 minutes of continuous use before needing to recharge. Beyond battery life, the supersized wider deck and frame make it more suitable for all ages, while still supporting riders up to 220 pounds in weight. It also has a 250-watt high-torque single-speed and chain-driven motor. What it lacks is safety lights, so it's best used during the daytime. It more than makes up for it with a smooth and stable ride, thanks to its 10-inch wide tires and light frame that weighs only 43 pounds. Riding this has twist grip acceleration and a hand-operated rear brake that makes it the ideal choice for users of all skill levels. Additionally, a retractable kickstand makes getting on and off the E300 easier than most competitive models. Overall, the Razor E300 is a great all-around electric scooter with a solid battery life, build, and motor. Number 5. The Xprit Folding Electric Scooter. This is the best electric scooter for short-distance commuters. This scooter gets you up to 12 miles per hour speeds, which is 4 times the normal walking speed, and supports a max load of 200 pounds. It is available at about $230. This scooter is made out of all aluminum alloy, which is well known to be a very durable substance. Not only that, but it protects the scooter from rain and weather damage to prevent rust and staining over time. What also makes this ideal for short distance is its folding size. The 13-mile range on this scooter is enough to get you to work with no problem. You can also use it to go to school, the store, or simply to ride around the block to a friend's house. Electric scooters don't have to be all business, so a shorter battery life isn't always a negative. Also, 6.5-inch wheels help carry you smoothly over all the bumps and cracks in the road, as well as it has an LCD display as a battery indicator. Overall, the Xprit Folding Electric Scooter is a spectacular electric scooter with its durable build and speed capabilities. Number 4. The Razor E100. This is the best electric scooter for kids. It is priced at about $120. It has everything your kid needs to get to school in the morning on time without making you late for work, or just a scooter to use around the block for fun. Recommended for children ages 8 and older with a maximum load of 120 pounds, the Razor E100 is a solid choice for parents looking to get their kids started with an electric scooter. Featuring an adjustable handlebar for users of all sizes, The hand-operated front brake offers no frills operation by putting everything the rider needs right on the handlebar for easy use. The hand-operated front brake complements the twist grip throttle for easy acceleration, and the scooter adds a required manual kickoff to 3 miles per hour before the motor powers on. It has a high torque, ultra-quiet chain motor. Once the motor takes over, riders will find speeds up to 10 miles per hour and a ride time of up to 40 minutes of continuous use. At 31 pounds, the E100 is easily transported, although it lacks a folding design for easier storage in a garage or closet. Overall, the Razor E100 is the perfect electric scooter for kids with its size, build, and easy use. Number 3. The Xiaomi Mi electric scooter. This is the best electric scooter for long-distance commuters. It is available at about $400. This scooter lasts much longer on a single battery charge while maintaining similar speeds to the other models on the list. With all of these electric scooters only having battery lives of 10 miles, you probably feel like it's not really a reasonable way to get to work. Some of us have jobs that are much further than 10 miles, which is why the 18.6 mile battery life is an incredible leap. It has a 250 watt motor with a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour. With its 27 pounds weight, it also has a portable folding design for easy carry. It also has a max load of 220 pounds. Safety features might not always be the most exciting thing to talk about, but peace of mind is worth every penny. The double braking system feature protects the rider from any danger ahead. It stops you within 13.1 feet, which is pretty good at 15.5 miles per hour. Not many brands focus on safety features enough, so the Xiaomi Mi is nice for a change. The 18.6 mile battery life is also a huge plus when compared to other brands. Overall, the Xiaomi Mi is a fantastic electric scooter with extremely fast and long-range battery life, portable folding design, and safety features. Number 2. The GoTrax GXL. This is one of the most popular electric scooters on the market, and for a good reason. It has every little detail you need in your scooter to get you where you need to go, and to get there on time. It also has some safety features that protect you while riding. It is priced at about $300. It is a powerful inner-city option for transportation, foldable, and weighing just over 26 pounds to make it easily portable as you bring it between car, office, or home. And it can support riders up to 220 pounds. Equipped with 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, it can absorb bumps and shocks and reduce slipping to make sure your commute is more comfortable. The 250 watt motor powers 2 speed settings, which can reach maximum speeds of about 10 miles an hour and 15 miles an hour respectively, and a small LED display will help you keep track of how fast you're going. With the 36-volt battery, you can travel up to 12.5 miles before needing to recharge, a process that should only take around 4 hours. 4 battery life indicators will alert you when its level is running low, and if you work odd hours or want a late-night excursion, there is an ultra-bright LED headlight that will keep you safe when you ride at night. Overall, the GoTrax GXL is an incredible electric scooter that has everything you need to have a quick and smooth ride. Number 1. The Glyon Dolly. This, in my opinion, is the best overall electric scooter. It is available at about $500, and it's safe to say that you get everything you pay for and more. The Glyon Dolly is a unique scooter for a couple of reasons. Their patented folding mechanism makes it much easier to pack up and put away. Featuring a highly durable aluminum frame that's resistant to corrosion, this foldable lightweight adult electric scooter is a great choice for everyday riding, making it both practical and fun. The 36-volt lithium-ion battery pack and 250-watt motor offer 15 miles of range on a single charge, with 3.25 hours of recharge time from 0 to full. It can support riders up to 255 pounds. Capable of traveling around 15 miles per hour, it offers a smooth ride, thanks to its 8-inch honeycomb, never flat, airless rubber tires. The motor is quiet, brushless, gearless, and chainless. The handlebar-mounted battery indicator helps riders track battery life, while the controls are water-resistant and easy to learn and use. Weighing only 28 pounds, the Glyon adds a retractable handle and roller wheels that allow it to be transported like a suitcase, and the foldable design means the scooter can stand up on its own in a closet or behind a door for easy storage. Overall, the Glyon Dolly is the absolute best electric scooter out there for its strong and smooth performance, great build, and portability. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.